Hello, boys and girls. Good to see you today. Miss Colbach here to share with you about our vowels. Remember, boys and girls, how many vowels do we have in our alphabet? That's right, 5 vowels. And remember, boys and girls, vowels are really, really important because every word has a vowel in it. So we want to make sure we know our short vowel sounds first. Let's review our vowels together. Are you ready? Okay. A says A as in apple. E says E as in elephant. I says I as in inchworm and Indian. O says A as in ostrich. U says as in umbrella. Again, A says A. E says E. I says I. O says ah. Remember to open your mouth big. Ah, like when you're at the doctor. And U, remember U is our smiling letter. U says It looks like a big happy smile. Do you remember the song we like to sing? How about we sing it together? Are you ready? I want you to sing along with me now. A says A. E says E. I says I. O says ah. U says A, E, I, O, U. Why don't you keep practicing those vowels, and I know that you're going to work really hard to do your very best, and I'm so proud of each and every one of you. I love you all. Bye now.